Hey guys, today I will explain you how to install WordPress on using Softaculous. So to begin, we'll access our namesheet or whatever hosting you have. So in every hosting server you will find or company of hosting, you will find dashboard, expand, domain list, hosting list, and the SSL certificate and other stuff that I will explain later. So we will access the hosting list to begin. So this is my hosting. I have one expired. I don't need it anymore. So I will access this one and go to the cPanel. Here we can manage the domain, and for me I will access the cPanel. So I'll wait to. Here is it. So this is the admin page of the cPanel. Here you can find different applications and different tools to make your websites work normal. And so to set up everything, you have the files, you have the email parts, you have the database parts, domains, also the security metrics and other softwares, also advanced things and preferences. So we will explain this in another videos. So now we will access to the Softaculous app installer. This is the installer that make it easy to install WordPress or other applications. So we click on it. So we'll have this page where we have our installations, our outdated installations, and our backups. So here you will find a lot of scripts and applications to install on the CMS and the content management system. So for today we will choose WordPress. So we click on WordPress. We will go to install and custom install. So here you will choose HTTP, not HTTPS, because you still don't have the SSL certificates installed. So we will choose HTTP, and here we choose our domain. So for me, I will choose this one, Greg Jewelry, to install on it the latest version of WordPress. You can install any version you want, but for security reasons and the latest security updates, you should choose the last one. Okay, so we write here the site name if you want, the WordPress description, the site's description, and this is the important part. You choose a username for your WordPress admin. So choose the username and the password. You can generate it here if you want. Here also you will write your admin email that you will add later on your email part in the cPanel. Professional email. This is a professional email. You select the language of the websites. We choose English. We choose the backup, so it will back up your websites. So here, as we see, so it prevents you from data loss and server crashes, hacks, dodgy updates, and bad plugins. It's important to select this one. You can also improve the page speed by selecting this one. This is a Speedy Cache. This is a plugin that improve your page speed. And you will choose also the classic editor. We will need it later when we are creating our websites. So for selecting the theme, it's not so important for now, because it will be only a default theme to be installed, because after we will choose a theme that is convenient to us. And here we select the email where the installation details will be received. So you should keep details about the installation in this email on. So to have the username, password, and the database infos there. So we choose any mail. This is not a problem, so we choose a mail. Then we install. So we will wait one minute. So here's it. Our installation is done. So if you reload the page, this page, we will find it downstairs in current installation. There is our installation. So to access our installation or our WordPress administrator, so we'll click here. We'll click here, login as admin. So here is it. So we'll set up our websites. So write something like hosting websites or hosting websites. Okay, so we choose personal sites. This is the name of the websites. We'll choose some goals. Say traffic. We'll pick a design for the websites. So we will change all this after. Next, skip. So we wait just a minute. All things are getting ready. All things getting set up. It's super easy to install WordPress via Softaculous. Setting up the site layout, and you succeed. Your site has been created. Great. So here is our admin panel or admin page. So congratulations, you just installed WordPress on your domain. So here we will access our websites. So we still don't have an SSL certification. We will buy it later. I'll show you how. So we'll continue to our websites. So here is our blog or our websites with this simple theme. That's great. See you in the next video.